So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find houses with a guest house here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go ahead and select your location. For this example video, I'll just use Vegas as my location and then press on search. Now, once your location is selected, if you want to find homes that offer a guest house feature, pretty cool feature, just go to the top here to where it says filters, then scroll down to where it says home features. And I want you to go ahead and find the option that says guest house right here. Make sure that is selected and then press on see homes. Now what you're going to be seeing is a refined search right here of homes that offer a guest house on them. So yeah, very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find houses with a guest house feature here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.